Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss our new exercise, that is exercise 6.2. I hope that your multiples topic is clear to you. I have already given you worksheet to clear that, and we have discussed in 2 classes about multiples. This worksheet is also related with multiples only. Here only one thing, two things we are going to learn. One thing is common multiples and second thing is LCM, least common multiple. Okay. So the first question that we have is write the first 10 multiples of the numbers in the circle and their common multiples in the intersection of the circles. One is done for you. So they have already told you that you have to write the first 10 multiples. You have to write the first 10 multiples of the numbers in the given circles, and then you have to find the common multiples of the intersection of the circle. This is intersection. Okay, this diagrams, as you can see, this one, this one, this one, this is called Venn diagrams. Okay, this is called Venn diagrams in the mathematics. So here first example is already done for you. This is 4 and 5. 4 and 5 multiples of 4 is, you have to just write the table till 10. Okay, I will be doing one for the example. 4, 8, multiples of 4 we are writing. 4 ones are 4, 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20, 4 6 the 24, 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32, 4 9 the 36, 4 10 the 40. Then you have multiples of 5, that is 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35, 5 8 the 40, 5 9 the 45, 5 10 the 40, 50. Okay, so now you have to find the common numbers here. Whatever common multiples are given, you have to circle that. As you can see, we can find out here we are having 20 as common. 4 and 5 is having 20 common, and if we are having any other number common, yes, 40 is also common. So what you are going to do is you have to write the common multiples. Common multiples of 4 and 5, 20, 40 in the intersection like this, and other numbers, whatever is left for 4 you can write it here, for 5 you can write it here. As you can see, 20 and 40 is written here, and then we have written all the multiples, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 we have written here, 24 because it is common in both, so that's why it is written here. 24, 28, 32, 36 here, 40 is again written here, here also 5, 10, table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 is written here only, and 25, 30 and 40, 35, 40 is written here, and 45, 50. Okay, so this one the example that is given already in book. Now in question number 2, B part, question number 1 B part, I have tried something else. I have not written multiples till 10. I just want to show you this thing beta, that your tables does not get ends, like does not end at 10. Okay, please remember this thing. Here it is written 10, it does not mean that your table ends at 10 to 10 the 20 and it's over. No, it is not like that. A lot of people have this, you children have this belief that if we have learned table till 10 means you have learned till 2 tens are 10, 3 tens are 30, 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens are 50, so it's over. No, it 5 11 the 5 12 the 6 12 the 6 15 the 600 the 6 200, that is also a table, that is also a multiple. And we have yesterday we have discussed this thing, that multiples are never ending, multiples are infinite. Okay, multiples are infinite, multiples cannot end, there will be many multiples. Okay, there is no counting of multiples. Like you have your counting, you have numbers, natural numbers, it does not end. Similarly, multiples does not end. Okay, so I have written multiples of 2 and 6. We have to find out the common multiples of 2 and 6. So what I have done, I have not written till 10, 2, 10 the 20. No, I have exceeded that part. So let me show you how I have done it. Just for your example, I have done this thing. Okay, multiples of 2. 2 here is, you have written 2 ones are 2, 2 2 the, you need not to write 2 ones are 2, just simply write the table 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Then you can see 2 11 are 22, 2 12 are 24, 2 13 the 26. That's why I have written here, so that you can remember this thing, that yes, your table does not ends at 10, it can go further also. Multiples of 6, then 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8 the 48, 6 9 the 54, 6 10 the 60. Now we have to find the common multiples of 2 and 6. Please remember this thing. Now we have to find the common multiples of 6 here. So we have 6 first number, 6, and then we have 12, then we have 18, then we have 24. Okay, look, I have got one more multiple because it is out. Okay. So I have written here 6. As you can see, we have got all the multiples 6, 12, 18, 20, 24. Okay. So common multiples of 2 and 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 as we have written. Now what we are going to do is we have to put it into Venn diagram. So common multiples you write first. Okay, common multiples you write first, 6, 12, 18, 24 in the intersection with this is called Venn diagram. Now you start writing the other numbers that is given to you. So we have to start from 2 as this is the multiples of 2. So 2, 4, 6 we have already written, 8, 10, 12 we have written here, then 14, 16, 18 we have written here, 20, 22, 24 we have written here, 26. This is more than, remember this is more than 20, for this 2 table I have written more than 10. Okay, don't think that we have done wrong. No, I just want to give the example that that the table does not end at 10. Okay, so now we will go for table of 6. 6 1 the 6 already written, 6 2 the 12 here, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24. Then we have 6 5 the 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Okay, these are all the common multiples, and we can have more common multiples if we extend the multiple table of 2. I can get more multiples. Please remember here also I can get common multiples more. Okay. Now here in question number 3, here earlier we have been given 2 numbers, now we have been given 3 numbers. Okay, this one is little bit complicated, so you understand this thing properly. Firstly, normally we have written the multiples of 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 36, 40. As you can see that we have written tables till 10 only. Only one example I have given you there. Now here we have written all the multiples of 2, 3, not all the multiples till 10. Till 10 we have written the multiples of 2, multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Now you find out the common multiples. As you can see here that we have common multiples only 12. 1 12, second 12, third 12. Here you do not have, if I extend this number 22 and 24, I can have one more common multiple, that is 24. But I just want to show you that when you have to find the common multiples, here this 24 number is also same. This 24 number is also same, but it is not here because they have told us to find out the numbers first 10 multiples only. So that's why I am just leaving that. I have underlined that we do not have here. Okay, if we have a written till 24, then it must be right. Okay, so the common multiples of 2, 3, 4 is 12 only. So you have to write only 12. Now we have to put this in Venn diagram. So firstly it's this one you have to be very careful. Okay, how to do this one, let me show it to you. Now here we have given 2 tables, so 2 and this is 4 and this is 3. Okay, this is the multiples of 3, this one is 4 and this one is 2. So it should be this 2. Okay, so you have to be careful that is there any number that is common in between 2 and 4. So you have to write in this intersection. This purple part is common of 2, 3 and 4, and this part is common between 2 and 3. This part is common between 2 and 4. This part is common between 3 and 4. Please remember this thing. So we have 2 here, 2 does not come in any table, so we have written 2. Then 4 come in the table of 4, so that's why we have written in intersection. Then 6 is common in all the 6 is common in 3. 6 is common in 3, 2 and 3, so we have written here. Then we have 8, 8 is common in between 2 and 4, so we have written here. 10 is not common in any number, so we have written here. 12 is common in all the numbers, so we have written here. Then we have 14, 14 is not common in any number, so we have written here. 16 is common between 2 and 4, so we have written in intersection. Then 18 is common between 2 and 3, so we have written here. and then we have 20. 20 is common between 2 and 4, so we have written in this intersection. Now let us come to 4. 4 here, now we, as you can see that 4 is common between 2 and 4, so that's why we have written here. Then 8 is also common between 2 and 8, so we have written here. Then 12 is common in all the numbers, so that's why we have written in purple part. Then 16 is common between 2 and 4, so we have written here. Then we have 20. 20 is common between 2 and 4, so we have written here. Then 24 is common between 3 and 4, so we have written in this intersection. 28, 32, 36, 40 we have is not common because we have written table till 10 only, so that's why we are writing it here. Now 3 table. 3 we have written here because it is not common. 6 is common between 2 and 3. Then 9 is not common. Then we have 12. 12 is common in all the numbers, so we have written in purple section. Then we have 15. 15 is not common in any number, so we have written here. 18 is common between 2 and 3, so we have written here. 21 is not common, then we have written here. 24 is common in between these two numbers, so we have written here. 27 and 30 is not common, so we have written here. So you should be careful. It's not like you could have written multiples of 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. It's your wish. Wherever you want to put, only the intersection should be clear. Please remember this thing. Okay, so by this we have completed our question number 1. Now we have to do question number 2 in the notebook. This is also very important question. It will be helpful for you people after, like in higher classes also. You should know what is LCM, what is HCF. Okay, so you have to write, because this is first thing that we are doing of about this chapter. So you have to write this chapter 6, factors and multiple. Exercise 6.1 we have done in book. 6.2 we are going to start it from here. Question number 2 we are going to do. Question number 1 we have done in the book. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Find the LCM of the following numbers. So now you have been given the number 11 and 14. So 11 and 14 is given. So now what we are going to do is we are going to write the table of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. 11 tens are 110. But we are not going to keep it there. We are going to write 11 11 the 121, 11 12 the 132, 11 13 the 143, 11 4 the 14 the 154, and 11 15 the 165. Now 14 table: 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140. So 14 10 the 140, 14 11 the 154, 14 12 the 168. As you can see here, I have got one common multiple, that is 154. Here we are only getting one common multiple, so this one will be our least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple, सबसे छोटा common multiple. Which one? The smallest common multiple is this one, 154. But the problem here is we have got only one common multiple, and that's why we are going to take this one only. So least common multiple is 154. Here I have got this answer after I have expanded this 11 table till 15 or till 14. Here I have got the answer when I have expanded this 14 table till 11 and 12. Then only I was able to find out. If we have written this, if we have written only till 11 or only till 14, so what would have happened? We have got only, what would have happened? This 154 we have not got, so you must have written 0. So that would have been wrong. Okay, so you should try till 15, at least try till 15, so that you can find out the least common multiple. It is very important for you people, when you have to find the least common multiple, you should expand the table. Now multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Now multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24. Here we have to find the LCM of 3 numbers, least common multiples in 3 numbers. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Both numbers are till 10. Okay. Now multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. As you can see here, 24 is also common in all these numbers, and 48 is also common in all these numbers. Now what was I talking about? Here we have got two multiples, two common multiple. One is 24, second one is 48, but the smallest one is 24 compared to 48. So we are going to take the LCM of 6, 8 and 4 is 24. So our common multiple, our least common multiple is 24. 11 and 8, multiples of 11, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 110. Multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. As you can see, I have expanded till 11, then only I am getting 88, and 88 is common here. In 11 table we are having 88, but if we have written here till 10, then we would not have got the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 11 and 8 is 88. So by this we have completed our exercise. I am going to give you one worksheet homework. I am going to give you one worksheet again, homework, worksheet number 11, that you have to do. What you have to do in that, let me show it to you. This is also about multiples and Venn diagram, whatever we have done, Venn diagram that we have done. So that's what we have to do here. Let me show the worksheet to you. Very easy worksheet, small worksheet I have given you. Firstly, put the following numbers into correct places in the Venn diagram. So I have told you this is one diagram. These numbers are given to you. Just simply put these numbers in the correct places. Okay, so they are multiple of 5, multiple of 6, multiple of 3, multiple of 7. You simply have to put these numbers. ये वाले numbers जो आपको इसमें put करने हैं. If there is any common multiple, you have to put in intersection. Okay, that's what you have to do. Now the next question is list of two common multiples for or each pair of numbers. So at least we have to find the two common multiples. Okay, so firstly you have to write the multiples of 3, then multiples of 4, then you have to just write two common multiples at least of all these numbers. Okay, of all these numbers you have to write. Okay, so bye bye students. Okay, bye bye students, have a good day. This much only we will be doing today.